What's up, guys? Full quarantine, another day sitting at home. So I went ahead and made a pretty special purchase. I went ahead and ordered some new emblems for the car. So these emblems are factory style, but they're totally customized as far as the color and the look. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the old emblems off the car. We'll slap the new emblems on. We'll show you the differences between the two. That way you guys can check it out. All right, so we got the box here. I've already pre-opened it. Now I just wanted to kind of highlight the packaging. This is super quality for what you would expect to get from an emblem. It's boxed. It didn't come in an envelope. It actually came in a hard cardboard box, which is, you know, pretty deep, pretty thick. That'll help protect it in shipping. And then on top of that, he even bubble wrapped it. So let's get in here and let's take a look at what we got. Oh, it's even a bag inside. So let me get this bag open. We'll put the old emblems next to the new ones and we'll kind of compare and see what they look like next to each other. All right, so these are the OEM factory emblems. It's the front and the rear. Now when I was taking them off, I did actually crack one, so I just glued it back together real quick for sake of this video. How I got them off, I basically just took a heat gun, or you can even take a blow dryer. You just got to be careful with how close you're holding it. Heated it up, and then I took some fishing line and ran it behind. Now with the Corvette and several other emblems, they do have these little posts that stick into the car. You can kind of see them there. You just got to be careful when you get up to those. But so just to give you guys kind of a tip, just make sure you take your time, go super slow if you want to keep the emblems in one piece. So these are the emblems I ordered. So instead of doing the fleur-de-lis style on the right, I went with the American flag. And then I have a black and red checker instead of the black and chrome. And I went with a full black emblem instead of a chrome lined emblem. So it's got kind of like a high gloss feel from that angle. Now the big difference that you'll notice is these ones have no posts. So they come shipped with these sticky tapes. Now the back of them is sticky, so don't take the tape off until you're absolutely 100% ready. But I think these came out sweet, so you guys can kind of get a feel side by side. I'll even go top over bottom just to give you guys kind of an idea. Now they are, if you look at the dimensions, I'll put them right on top of each other. He takes his time. Now you'll notice that the point on the ones that we ordered are a little bit pointier. Other than that, they're exactly the same dimension. Alright, so as you guys can see, I got the old emblems off. Now you can see the holes where the old emblem was stuck into the bumper. What I did was I got everything off, and then I went ahead and stuck the emblem into the hole. Took blue painter's tape and kind of made an outline just so I know where the emblem's going to go once it's clean. Because what we're actually going to do is hit with a little bit of rubbing alcohol. I don't know if you guys can really see the residue and kind of how dirty, but you can see an outline of where the old emblem was. So we're going to clean that up before we stick that new emblem on. Quick tip, while you're installing the emblems, you can take a little level. I have a super small one, a regular size one works. Put it over the emblem and just make sure for 100% certain that you have that centered perfectly in the middle of the car and that it's leveled from across. So with the combination of the painter's tape and a little level, you'll be 100% certain to nail the placement of your emblems. Old emblems, new emblems. So the emblems came out sick. You get that little pop of color, the red and black on the side, and then the American flag all blacked out on the other. I think it looks amazing. The rears really pop off the back of the car too, with those red Morimoto taillights that I got. Really pops off that red checkered emblem. And then that classic American flag look just blends in perfectly with the back of the car. Give you a little contrast there. These came out perfect. Exactly what I was hoping for. Guys, got the emblems on the car. They came out great. Couldn't have asked for more. Now I'm gonna put the link to his website down in the description below. Make sure you go down, show him some love. With everything that's going on right now, it's super important that we support small automotive businesses, especially ones right here in our own backyard. The economic impact of everything that's going on has already closed some amazing companies. We all saw what happened with AccuAir. So now more than ever, it's super important that we take our money and put it in the pockets of these small, hardworking people that are based in our own community. So make sure you go down, show him some love, drop him a comment. He can customize anything, any way you want. Just make sure you send that support his way. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel and leave me a comment. Let me know, are you going to be picking a pair of these up? If you already have a custom set of your own, I'd love to see what you guys got.